Hi, good to see you in my channel where I share homemade, easy to follow Chinese recipes every week. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious cake using mung beans, which is perfect for the hot summer. That is because mung beans are believed to have anti-inflammatory properties to protect against heat stroke and high body temperatures. Mung beans, also known as green beans or 绿豆 in Chinese. They are dark green and about half of the size of peas. In addition to dessert, mung beans are commonly used to make porridge, soft drinks, as well as popsicle in China. We're going to measure 1½ cup of the mung beans for this recipe. Soak the beans in cold water overnight. The second day, dump the water, put the beans in a pot, add cold water to fully soak the beans, but not more than that, as too much water will make it harder to fry and dry the paste later. Then bring to a boil. Turn the heat to low and simmer. Check the water level occasionally to make sure the beans do not get burned. In about 20 minutes, the beans can be easily broken and smashed. Turn off the heat. Transfer the beans to a large bowl. The mung beans have absorbed all the water. If you have leftover liquid, add a few ice cubes, drink it. It's delicious. Add 1 cup of evaporated milk. And 1 cup of powdered sugar. Mix well. Taste it and see if it's sweet enough for you. If not, add more sugar. Grind the mixture to get the smooth paste. In a heated pan, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of butter. Let it melt and add the bean paste. Medium heat to stir fry the bean paste. The heat level is super important. It needs to be high enough for the water to evaporate and low enough not to get the paste burned. Start the heat as low as possible, then turn it up eventually until bubbles form. Then you got the right temperature. Keep stirring. This step does require some patience, but still doable. In about 15 minutes or so, the paste turns very thick and can be easily shaped. Turn off the heat. Transfer the paste to a container and let it cool down in the room temperature. As you see, the paste is very thick. The last step, I'm using the mooncake mold to mold the paste into cute cake shape. Remember to grease the mold first. If you don't have a mold like this, cookie cutter works too. Or even just roll the paste into whatever shape you like. They are tasty regardless. For the second half of the paste, add some sesame seeds or your favorite nut crunch. Keep filling in and pressing the mold or cookie cutters. Then we produce about 8 beautiful mung bean cakes all together. Refrigerate for about 2 hours. They taste even better. It's sweet, milky, and very filling. Well, time flies. It's great to have you. I hope you had a good time. If so, please comment and like. Subscribe if you're new to my channel to be notified when I post more exciting recipes like this. Thanks, and see you around.